Nexo NFT integration app. The pros, the cons. The Nexo NFT integration app allows users to manage NFTs alongside their crypto accounts. Most people get this wrong by thinking Nexo is only for crypto lending or interest accounts, but the surprising truth is that it now supports NFT storage and purchases. On the pro side, the app leverages Nexo's security, ensuring your NFTs are stored safely. Users can link NFT purchases to their crypto balances, and the platform provides easy wallet integration and tracking of assets. Nexo also offers a simple interface for beginners, making NFT management straightforward. On the cons side, NFT selection is limited and advanced trading features are minimal. The platform relies on third-party marketplaces for buying or selling NFTs, which may not suit active traders. Mobile usability is solid, but desktop tools are less comprehensive. In conclusion, the Nexo NFT integration app is best for users who want a secure and simple NFT management solution within a trusted crypto platform. While it may not cater to high-volume traders, its security, integration, and ease of use make it ideal for casual collectors.